Today I'm going to show you how to make a paper airplane launcher. So this is pretty simple. I've got a paper clip on a paper airplane and a binder clip with a loop with a rubber band on the end on a ruler. Now I'm going to show you how to make this. You need a hole puncher and punch a hole. At the pretty front, but like not at the very front. Next, you need to get a paper clip and unbend the paper clip so that you get this. Now get the hooks like this so that it looks like this. Get your paper airplane with the hole punched in it and put the biggest hook on the hole in the paper airplane. So you have to do it like this. Need your paper airplane, get your hole in it. And now you need to bend this hook shut so that the paper clip cannot get out. Now, you need to make your launcher. Mine is a ruler, and you need to get a binder clip, and you need to clip it on to the end of the ruler. And flip down one of the switches. And now you need to wrap some tape around it. Now I've got my tape wrapped around the switch, and now you need to get your energy source. Enter the rubber band. So, you need to thread one end of the rubber band through the other switch of the the binder clip, and now pull it through itself so that you get this kind of like a knot. Now, with your paper airplane, just hook the paper clip onto the switch, and now you're ready to go. So now we're ready to test our paper airplane. Sometimes it doesn't work like what happened just now, but it's supposed to.